Hi folks, this is John, the tech coordinator with Kingsville Public Library, here today with Brandon, talking to you guys about our 3D printing software and our 3D printer. Our 3D printer is the Lulzbot Mini, and the software that we use to create and upload the files into the 3D printer is Cura. Although the Lulzbot Mini is set up to take multiple types of plastic like PLA and ABS, we have plenty of PLA here at the library, ranging from gold, traffic red, standard black, standard white, silver metallic, sky blue, and leaf green for your 3D modeling.
Hello everyone, my name is Brandon, and here's some of the 3D prints that we have. We offer everything from organizational to toys that you can print out. And you can do this for a very low cost, and you can download objects from Thingiverse to go and print out on our printer as well. We offer some really cute little things, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to John.